put up one question on the screen here. Adil Khan is asking, he's doing 3D for Indie Studio and learning Unity and Unreal. So his main question is basically, is it essential to have a degree? Now, you did take a degree. Would you say that's essential? I'm asking this also before asking the follow-up question, which is you also did a mentorship.
Mhm.
So is it essential to have the degree? What are the advantages of taking degree? And would you recommend someone to learn on their own or actually just do a degree?
There are a degree. I mean, to start out with like this the really base bone answer. A degree is not necessary. It's it's not necessary at all. There's a lot of resources from online to mentorships to even workshops. I would highly recommend workshops if you just want to get better at art. Uh, but degrees aren't really necessary. You might find that on a lot of job postings for AAA studios or even some AA studios that they require a bachelor's. Um, you should still apply to them even if they do have a bachelor's on them, but the difference that you're getting in between like having a degree versus not having a degree is that oh you got a little
So
little
sorry
kid.
about it's London. There's always something happening in the background here. Sorry about that.
London. That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. But the advantages that a degree gives you is that under a you're under a program. So you're under like a 4 year experience, you're under a 3 year, 2 year experience, and you're expected to have a certain results at the end of the experience. What you have after that is kind of bonus.